Some concerning news from the northeast. In fact, in Sikkim, a cloudburst has triggered flash floods. In fact, 6 people have died in this absolutely horrific flash flood there. In the past couple of days, 9 people, in fact, in all, have lost their lives to natural calamities in Sikkim. There were several landslides that have been reported as well.
पिछले 3 दिनों में सिक्किम में 2 डिजास्टर हुए, नेचुरल कैलामिटी था। एक तो नामची डिस्ट्रिक्ट के यांगयांग सब डिवीज़न में एक डिजास्टर हुआ, नेचुरल कैलामिटी हुई थी, लैंडस्लाइड हुई थी, जिसमें 3 लोग हताहत हुए हैं। और उसी तरह अभी कल 13 तारीख की रात में, 12 तारीख और 13 तारीख की इंटरविनिंग नाइट में मंगन डिस्ट्रिक्ट में भी एक नेचुरल कैलामिटी हुआ, लैंडस्लाइड हुई, जिसमें पाक्षेप और अम्बिथांग 2 मतलब बैडली अफेक्टेड हमारे गांव हैं, जहां पे 6 लोगों की मृत्यु हुई है।
And Ratneep Chaudhary is now joining us live. So Ratneep, absolutely horrific there. 9 people have died in the past 4 days. Several tourists also stuck. In fact, hundreds of tourists have been stranded there.
That's right. In fact, if you look at Sikkim, the North Sikkim area has got double the rainfall that it is supposed to receive at this point of time in the last fortnight, and particularly in the past couple of days, past 4 to 5 days, it has been very heavily raining, and therefore in the past 4 days there have been at least 9 deaths, particularly in the last 48 hours about 6 deaths in Mangan district, as we pointed out in that soundbite that we have played out of Sikkim Chief Secretary. In fact, the Mangan district is cut off, therefore over 1200 tourists are stranded, including 15 foreigners in Lachung. They would be in all likelihood airlifted, but the weather remains inclement, so therefore airlift operations only can take place when the weather clear out. Remember, there is a orange alert for more rains in Sikkim till today, and not only Sikkim, in North Bengal, particularly in Kalimpong, Alipurduar and Jalpaiguri, there have been extensive rainfall. There have been flash floods with the Teesta river, which comes from upstream Sikkim to downstream Bengal before it enters Bangladesh. There have been the Teesta river is in a spate. In fact, the National Highway 10, which is the lifeline of Sikkim, the movement on that national highway has been restricted. Only smaller vehicles have been allowed, since the national highway has suffered damages in the Meli area, which is on the border of Sikkim and North Bengal. Now, what Sikkim government officials have also confirmed to us that there has been a cloudburst, and therefore they are closely monitoring the glacial lakes which are in the higher reaches of the Himalayas through the satellite imageries. Remember, last year Sikkim has suffered a glacial lake outburst due to cloudburst, and that caused a massive flood. Remember, in that flood last year, over 100 people were dead, over 25,000 people were displaced, and there was massive loss to life and property, and many parts of northern Sikkim and the higher reaches were very badly affected, and in those areas, right, some of the bridges which were constructed newly have also suffered damage this time. So therefore the authorities are taking no chances, and the Chief Minister himself monitoring the situation almost 24/7. That's what Chief Minister's office has given us to understand,
right.
And they're waiting for the weather to clear out to evacuate the tourists.
In fact, as we speak, as you said, Ratneep, heavy rain alert has been issued for several parts of Sikkim. Thanks very much for joining us with that update from Sikkim.